In this video, I'll walk you through 5 hiring shifts that will define engineering careers in 2026. And most importantly, how you should prepare without panic. Hi there, welcome to Tech and Career Bytes. I'm a software professional with over 2 decades of experience, including 7 years in leadership roles at a global product based organization. If you're a software engineer today, you have probably asked this question yourself. If AI can already write code, what exactly are companies hiring for now? Some people say AI will replace developers. Others say just learn a few AI tools and you will be fine. Both views miss the real shift.
Hiring is not collapsing. It is changing what it measures.
Let's start with a simple truth.
Earlier, writing correct code was hard. Speed mattered. And syntax knowledge was valuable. Today, AI can generate working code in seconds. Almost anyone can look productive.
So, hiring managers are asking a different question.
Can this person ship reliable systems in the real world?
That question drives every shift I'm about to explain. Let's start with coding interviews. For coding interviews, LeetCode style problems have been widely used.
LeetCode style problems mostly test pattern recall, speed, and syntax familiarity. AI is exceptionally good at that. So, interviews are changing toward debugging, code review, reasoning, and system design.
Let me show you a simple example. Looks fine, right?
But a real engineer immediately asks, what if b equal to 0? What should the API return? Should this throw an exception or return optional?
A stronger version might be as shown here.
The interview signal is no longer, did you write code fast? It is now, did you think about correctness, failure, and intent?
Many companies, including Meta, now allow AI tools during the interviews. In some cases, candidates are encouraged to use them.
What they are testing is how you review AI output, whether you blindly trust it, and whether you can explain what you would actually ship.
AI fluency does not mean
Training models, fine tuning LLMs, or becoming an ML engineer.
it means
Using AI responsibly, knowing its failure modes, and adding guardrails.
suppose you are using AI to summarize customer tickets. Here are 2 common approaches you can take. What you are showing through this is that
You don't trust AI blindly. You understand data safety and you add constraints.
that's AI fluency. Knowing when not to use AI is becoming as valuable as knowing how to use it. As AI increases code volume, correctness matters more, not less.
This is why languages like Rust, Go, Kotlin, and Java that enforce discipline are gaining demand.
Let's take this concurrency example.
This code looks harmless, but in multi-threaded systems, this breaks. A production-aware engineer thinks about atomicity, thread safety, and failure under load.
Languages and tools that force you to think clearly are becoming hiring signals.
Not because they are fashionable, but because they reduce production bugs.
When many candidates have similar technical skills, how you explain your thinking becomes the differentiator.
This shows up most clearly in system design interviews. There is rarely one correct answer. Interviewers listen for how you structure the problem, how you state assumptions, and how you justify trade offs.
Consider this example. Designing rate limiting question in the interview.
Instead of jumping into code, a strong candidate says, let me clarify expected traffic, burst behavior, and failure tolerance before choosing a solution. Then Maybe proposes and explains why token bucket, what happens during spikes, and how this behaves during failures.
Communication is no longer soft skill. It is part of the technical signal. Remote work and AI have expanded the talent pool. No wonder hiring is now global by default.
That means more competition, higher expectations, and less patience for learning on the job. Companies favor engineers who can ship end to end, understand production constraints, and need less supervision.
The good news, global competition rewards fundamentals.
Skills like system design, debugging, clear communication, and AI fluency with judgment travel well across borders and companies.
People argue, is AI a bubble? That debate does not help your career.
Even if some AI products fail, infrastructure remains, tooling improves, and workflows change permanently. A good bubble still reshapes industries.
The engineers won't be tool chasers. They will be engineers with durable skills. Now, for the most important part, how to prepare for the job market without panicking. Here are the 4 things to focus.
Practice interviews that look like real work. Use AI, but never outsource a judgment. Build system design instincts. And finally, invest in communication.
Hiring is not broken. It is simply measuring what really matters in real engineering. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tech topics. Do check out our other videos on software performance optimization case studies, coding, system design, big data, and career growth. My name is Rupa, and I thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.